Hey stories, it's Isha and welcome to this channel. Today we are going to be bursting some of the myths related to journalism and mass communication degree. I know when you are thinking of enrolling into this course, there's a lot of assumptions, lot of myths that goes into your mind, and today I'll be breaking all of them for you. No matter who you say you're studying mass communication, the very first reaction they have is TV पे आएगी. You'll be a journalist, you'll be a news presenter, and that's not going to be always true. In fact, very few people who enroll into mass communication end up taking journalism. That's the fact. And let me tell you, what you think of this course, what you think of the career before taking up this course can vary drastically after 3 years. So TV is just an option? Not anymore. Let me tell you, if you are looking at the glamour side of it, अगर glamour देख के यहाँ इस industry में enter कर रहे हो ना, let me tell you, बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाओगे या बहुत जल्दी reality से सामना हो जाएगा, because it's nothing glamorous at all. At least in the beginning में कुछ भी नहीं है. There's a lot of hard work, effort that goes behind it. In fact, if you go to a news agency वाले चीज़ में अगर आप internship करने जाओगे, कुछ ऐसा होगा, they'll send you on field, like they'll tell you that go खबर ढूंढ के आओ, and that's not at all glamorous, let me tell you that. And also here I want to address that don't take up this course as an escape route to some other thing. For example, बहुत लोग maths से बचने के लिए mass media ले लेते हैं. Don't do that, because I've seen people regretting taking up this course so much just because it was not a right decision for them, because वो किसी चीज़ से बचने के लिए कुछ और गलत ले लिए. And that's not going to be a pretty picture if you don't actually enjoy working here. So glamour को देख के as an escape route अगर आ रहे हो यहाँ पे इस तरीके से, that's not going to work at all. Yes, it is true that media course does not give you handsome paycheck right at the beginning as a fresher after graduation, but at the same time your experience level matter a lot. So right from your first year itself, I would suggest if you can get yourself good internships, if you can get yourself good part-time jobs that can contribute to your experience level, your work experience, it can serve as a great ladder, I would say, to building your career, and eventually you'll land into a good place very soon if you back up good work experience in your resume. So make sure you do that, and not only just for the resume's sake, building those skills and how well you own the skills and how well you possess it matters a lot. बहुत बार you get a good placement, not placement यहाँ पे, good job I would say, based on your skills, just your skills. Media people don't have to study. Okay, it might seem at a superficial level that we don't have to study, but we need to give theory exams, and for that we need to study to score well. And also at the same time, if it feels like we don't have to study, but there's a lot of extra work that goes behind, like the production work, the post-production work, the pre-production work that takes most of your energy, I would say, to come up with an idea out of nothing, literally nothing, and execute it into a proper something. That's a whole of a process in itself, and you need to do this more frequently. And jitna zyada, again I said, jitna zyada you will gain your experience, and these experiences, that the short films that you make, the news packages that you make, the documentaries that you make matters a lot. The projects that you take up, they matter a lot. And this not just the exams that you write, there's a lot more that goes behind it. And also at the same time, especially if you're entering the journalism field, you need to keep a lot of knowledge. And even if you don't have to study just for the purpose of exams, you need to be constantly updated with all of the things happening in the country and outside worldwide. So yeah, अगर पढ़ना नहीं होता है लेकिन उसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ होते हैं. understand at a superficial level, it seems like a media degree teaches you everything, and especially for freshers, especially for students who are willing to enroll for this course, they think enroll for a degree like mass communication, and after 3 years, all for 3 years, you'll be sorted and you'll be changed as a person after 3 years after completing this course. That's not going to be the case if you just depend on your degree, because your degree is going to give you skills जहाँ पे आप exams लिख लो, जहाँ पे you do the assignments that they give you, you can complete those assignments, but what goes beyond that, and let me tell you, उसके बाद there's a lot more effort and hardship that you have to do all on your own. You have to learn everything all on your own. So they teach you editing, they have subjects like editing, but if you want to gain some experience, I would say some expertise in editing, you have to devote all your hard work on your own, all your hardship, all your effort, you have to learn things all on your own. Degree is not going to be enough. Same goes for अगर आप presentation style ही अगर सही करना चाह रहे हो, if you want to be a news presenter, they'll make you practice once in a while here and there, but the regular practice that you need, the regular I would say monitor that you need, that तुम्हारे expressions कैसे हो रहे हैं, तुम्हारे hand gesture, तुम सही बोल रहे हो नहीं बोल रहे हो, that you have to do all on your own. Same goes for any other skills that you learn here. You just learn the basics of everything, and let me tell you, just the degree is not enough, not at all enough. And people who are dependent just on that, these are the people who regret taking up a degree like this, because I get questions like, Isha, I've seen people regretting taking a degree in mass communication, and that's true, because degree is not enough. एजुकेशन सिस्टम सब कुछ नहीं बताते, कॉलेज में आपका सारी लर्निंग नहीं होती है, लॉट मोर एफर्ट इज गोइंग टू कम बाय योर साइड, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा आपको खुद से लर्न करना होता है. एट द एंड of the day, you'll be sitting on your laptop learning a new skill all on your own at the end of the day after attending college. So these are 5 myths that I broke in this video today. I hope this was insightful for you. I hope this gave you a better and a more clear picture of the scenario, and yeah, I hope that you will be able to take your decision better. Let me know what more you want to hear from me, what more videos you want me to make, and if I can, I would happy to make that for you. And yeah, all of your questions that you want me to ask, leave them in the comment section below. DM me on Instagram, I will be happy to help you out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, dream, design, and live your story. Bye bye.